Hi, good morning, everybody. Uh, Today topic is should you major in computer science or not? I'm gonna give you guys an honest review of majoring computer science. So I'm gonna talk about the bachelor degree in computer science in most colleges, like also like the difficulty level and the outcome and also salary and the job market and all of that. So first of all, what is computer science? So computer science is problem solving. It's not like everything about coding, okay? One of the major problem people have when they think about computer science, they think like, okay, we do program, we do code all the like every day. That's not true. We don't code all day. A little bit about myself. I have finished my bachelor in computer science, and from my perspective, I can tell you that it's more like a math degree because it has like a lot of math involved. So when you want to do computer science, you have to do calculus, discrete math, then data structure, which is also like a little bit about math. But in real world, they are not that useful. But it's like like old college degree stuff. Let's talk about like why you should major in computer science. So first of all, the number one reason for choosing computer science overall major is like the job market is really high for CS graduate, and like even the entry-level job salary is really higher than any other major. But you have to also think about like if you really want to do computer science, like it's kind of like you gotta put more time on it. You can't get into party all the time. You can't just like go to beach and like have fun and party, but you gotta sacrifice, because like it could be harder. And another important question, people think like, should you go to like Ivy League school for bachelor? For me, I haven't been to like Ivy League for bachelor, but I'm in like Ivy League right now for masters. Also, masters is not necessary. I'm just doing it like I want to be like part time, like a the professor college. So that's why like I'm doing the masters. But I have also full-time job, so it doesn't matter that you have to go for masters too. So let's talk about like so if you really want to do computer science, what programming language you all should focus on. In this case, I would say Java. Java is like the fastest programming language, and even though Java could be very difficult for a beginner to learn, that's why most of the school like they recommend going for Python first because it's easier to understand. It's like kind of like writing English rather than like writing coding and stuff. That's why a lot of colleges they recommend students to learn Python first before going for C and Java. So if you are like high school grad right now, like you want to get into college and you want to study computer science, I would recommend learning Java programming. There's like tons of tutorial on YouTube, and go from the beginning, like from beginning to intermediate then advanced level, and try to build something, try to make a website on Java. That's gonna be a fun, because on problem are every college has like the most of the project they have is not like real world projects, because like most of the projects are like either full stack or like a mobile application or game development. So yes, now let's talk about why computer science is a better major for all other like majors. Just if you just go to Google and type like who makes more, who is more richer, like software engineer or like doctor. Let's think about it this way, right? You're gonna find like software engineers are more richer than doctor. Now you gotta be thinking like, okay, that's not true, because like doctor make a lot of money, right? But yeah, it is true. It ain't false, because the reason is like doctor usually they end up having a lots of loan, like $600,000 to $1 million, depend on what school you go to. But software engineer on the other hand, I'm not talking about only software engineer, like all other jobs like network architect, data analyst, database administrator, web developer, all other CS grad jobs. So like but they make more money within shorter time. Like you can graduate in 3.5 years. Like, but the thing is like what I'm trying to say, like is CSDegree, the entry level job is very higher, and you get to make more money than a doctor, even an entry level. so you don't have to like rent an apartment. You know, you can just like, you know, you can have your own apartment and rent it to tenant. You know, so I think you all understand like why computer science is one of the best major. And also one of the thing I forgot to mention that in 20 years the job is expected to grow more. A lot of people say like, okay, robots or some like, you know, like machines gonna take programmers out, but that's not true. Programmer ain't going anywhere. You know, you need programmer for all of that. You know, for everywhere you need programmer. I remember I had an internship like in a car company, but they need software engineer because like they, you know, they need someone to like operate their computers and all of that. So yeah, I would say like that's pretty much everything about why you should major in computer science, and you're not gonna regret it. Just stick to it. You know, even the difficulty level is hard because like you have to take science classes too, but at the end of the day you're gonna make like above like the annual salary of what other people make. And I'm gonna end the video right now, and I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Thank you.